Welcome to my channel Techophilic, your gateway to the world of cutting-edge technology. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the latest innovations, uncover tech tips and tricks, and dive into the digital realm. Get ready to embark on a journey through the future of tech. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's flagship device, is renowned for its cutting-edge technology and innovative features. However, like many powerful smartphones, it's not immune to the issue of overheating. In this video, we will delve into the common causes of iPhone 15 Pro Max heating issues, explore practical troubleshooting steps to address them, and discuss preventative measures to ensure your device operates at an optimal temperature, enhancing both its performance and longevity. Common causes of heating issues are processor intensity. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is equipped with the state-of-the-art A15 Bionic chip, capable of handling demanding tasks effortlessly. Nevertheless, running resource-intensive apps, such as graphics-heavy games or editing software, can strain the processor and result in increased heat production. Background apps. Having multiple apps running in the background can significantly affect the phone's CPU usage, leading to higher heat generation. Managing these background apps is crucial to prevent overheating. Ambient temperature. The external environment plays a crucial role in your phone's temperature. In hot weather, your device may overheat more quickly as it struggles to dissipate heat. Similarly, in cold weather, the battery may drain faster. Battery health. Over time, iPhone batteries may experience wear and tear, which can cause them to generate extra heat during charging or extended usage. This issue can be exacerbated if you are using non-certified chargers or cables. Software bugs. Occasionally, software glitches or bugs in the operating system may lead to your phone's processor working harder than necessary, causing overheating. Regular software updates and troubleshooting can help resolve these issues. Troubleshooting steps. App management. Regularly close unused background apps by double-clicking the home button or using gesture controls and swiping up to remove them from the background. This can free up CPU resources and reduce heat generation. Reduce intensive usage. Limit the use of resource-intensive apps and games, especially in hot weather conditions. Check your device's settings for performance control options to lower CPU intensity when needed. Optimize display settings. Lower the screen brightness and reduce the screen timeout to conserve power and reduce heat generation. You can also use the auto brightness feature to adjust brightness based on your surroundings. Cooling measures. To prevent your device from overheating, avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or extremely hot environments. It's best to keep your iPhone 15 Pro Max in a well-ventilated area, which allows for better heat dissipation. Battery health. Monitor your battery health in the device settings. If you notice significant degradation, consider getting the battery replaced by an authorized service provider. Always use official chargers and cables to prevent battery damage. Software updates. Regularly check for software updates and install them promptly. These updates often contain bug fixes, optimizations, and performance improvements that can help alleviate heating issues. Background app refresh. In the settings, you can disable background app refresh for certain apps. This conserves battery power and reduces heat generation. Reset settings. If you encounter persistent heating issues, you can reset all settings on your device to their defaults. This step can resolve software-related problems and return your phone to a stable state. Preventative measures. Maintaining your iPhone 15 Pro Max to prevent heating issues is a wise investment in its long-term performance and durability. Regular maintenance. Sensible app management and responsible usage are essential in addressing and preventing heating problems. By following these guidelines, users can make the most of their premium smartphone while ensuring it operates within safe temperature limits, delivering a comfortable and trouble-free mobile experience. By proactively addressing and avoiding heating issues, you can maximize the benefits of your iPhone 15 Pro Max.